Hi, I am Archana Kayale from Good to Excellence. Welcome you in our grammar lesson video. Like and share the video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified. In the last lesson, we have seen what is noun, common noun and proper noun, common nouns which are divided into countable and uncountable nouns. Remember, if it has a plural form, it is countable. When we use a plural form of countable noun, the spelling of it changes as per the rule. This doesn't matter while speaking, but you need to be careful while writing. Now we need to check the examples in detail under each category. Spelling rules for countable nouns. Let's start. Most of the nouns ends with S. We know that. For example, a fan, fans. A pot, pots. A door, doors. Nouns that end in S, SS, CH, SH, O or X are made plural by ending ES. For example, watch, watches, class, classes, brush, brushes, box, boxes, bus, buses, mango, mangoes. Rule number 3. Most nouns that end in Y are made plural by changing the Y to I and adding ES. See the example: story, stories, diary, diaries. Nouns that have a vowel before Y are made plural by simply adding S at the end. Check it. A key, keys. A toy, toys. Some nouns change in spelling from the singular to plural form. Examples are man, men, tooth, teeth, child, children. Rule number 6 says the plural form of some nouns is the same as the singular form. For example, sheep, deer, fish, aircraft, salmon. Tip: when you are talking about different kinds of fish, the plural can be fishes. For example, the various fishes of Indian Ocean. Now check rule number 7. Many nouns that end in F are made plural by changing the F to V and adding ES, like half, halves. However, some nouns that end in F can be made plural in both the ways. The example is scarf. It can be scarves or scarves. Most nouns that end in FE are made plural by changing the F to V and adding S, like knife, knives, wife, wives. Oof, too much, right? But you need to remember it so that you should not make mistake while typing or writing. Now, I would suggest you to pause the video and take this quiz. Write the plural form of these nouns. Check the answers now. How did it go? Great. So this is about countable nouns and how the spellings change for these nouns. Hope you will remember all the rules. If you don't, feel free to watch the video again and again till you learn. In our next video, we will learn about uncountable nouns. Now it's your time to like and share the video, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon to get notified. I will see you in the next lesson. Till then, bye.